Hello, dear viewers. This is the Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. 11th of April 2024 is the day, is Thursday. How are you, my friend? How are you? How is it going at your end? How is life? Let me know in the chat. Well, let me introduce myself. My name is Rakesh. I'm your host here. Today is 11th of April, like I was saying, and today is Eid also. Eid Mubarak to everybody who is celebrating it. I'm just a Dukas Copy's community member of trading. Please do not take me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I am not associated with them in any other type. Just I am a trader. Okay, and therefore I am independent from Dukas Copy. Whatever I am going to say in this live stream, it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. In fact, these are my own trading ideas and the key levels that I am going to share with you. They are not the key levels of the Dukas Copy research team. They are my key levels and only my key levels. All right. So we'll be strictly discussing the price action here in this webinar, and based on that price action we'll see what are the important levels that may be of interest in the coming hours and days to you and to other traders also. I'm not saying that you take this as a trading advice. This video or webinar is not a trading advice. It is just to show you what are the major important levels for all the instruments that we are going to see, and we are going to cover the forex majors and a few other commodities also. Now if you have any particular request that Rakesh, please cover this or that instrument, you can let me know in the chat box. I will be covering that. Or if you cannot find me in the live, first of all make sure that you are here 1700 hour every day, 1700 Greenwich Mean Time. That is the time when I'm here every day. So find out time to interact with me for half an hour or so. In that half an hour you can also request your charts. If you want me to analyze the live markets in front of you anytime, you can ask me that. I'll be very happy to do so. You see, my content is free. It has nothing, no membership, no super chats, nothing. Okay, so please feel free to join me and try to interact. Sometimes when we have views of each other, we tend to make better decisions. Now I'm not saying that you take this webinar as a trading advice. It is not a trading advice, but whatever I'm going to say here, it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank also. So please do your own research before you put your money on the line. But if you want to just learn trading by the demo, you are most welcome to use these analysis into your trading. Okay, thank you very much for your time now for being here. And before I take you to my charts, let me take you through the standard risk disclaimer first. Okay, guys, I have a feedback that this webinar is going very long, half an hour for just this and that. Sometimes I have to explain you why that level has come here or there. So if you don't want an explanation, that's fine. I will just quickly read out the levels and go through the charts quickly. But for today, I will try to go fast. Let's see if I can wrap this up in the 10 minutes or so. Okay. So right now on your screen is the daily chart of the US dollar index. Now we have just from yesterday we have become bullish in this one because the price has broken higher again yesterday from 104.44 to the higher side. Now it has reached the ultimate resistance, almost 105.32 was the resistance that we were looking for in this one. Now that is actually a resistance. Okay, the price has broken higher and has taken the support at the newly formed resistance turned into support, that is 104.82 levels. Now the next level that we are looking for here is 105.32 and later on 105.90. Let's see how the price reacts to this level. It has not reached there yet, almost reached there but not has reached. And also notice that this is a confluence of resistances. At least tomorrow there will be a lot of resistance here, and tomorrow is also Friday, so be cautious. And this zone 105.32 area is a very good resistance. First is horizontal lines from the previous levels. Okay, and also this rising channels resistance line, so be cautious. Okay, what about pound? Pound also is trading nowhere. It has gone higher, found resistance at 1.2574, lower it could not go. So on the downside we have a target of 1.2500. It has also not reached its target today, so we'll be expecting it tomorrow. Okay, any run on the upside around 1.2574 should be seen as a resistance. What is about the euro could see the lower lows today and has finally given us an indication that it is also going lower. Now every rise towards 1.0724 should be seen as an area of resistance, and a selling opportunity may be seized around here, although it has also not reached these lows which we were expecting around 1.0694. Now tomorrow we may expect those levels to come in the euro. On the upside, I have told you, now if the price clears this area and closes above 1.0724, then we can expect the price to go higher towards 1.0791 area also. What is happening in the Australian dollar, guys? Australian dollar is not ready to go lower. It is a daily chart and it is green. That means Australian dollar is going better than the US dollar. Okay, so here on the upside we have a resistance around 0.6549, but I'm expecting this resistance to go away very soon. Okay, now focus on GBP AUD today. It will be very low today. Okay, so let's see how what 0.6644 I think we will be seeing in. But problem is that this low here, which is acting as a resistance, need to be closed, or the price needs to close above 0.6549 for us to go to 0.6644 in this market. New Zealand dollar very resistant, but yesterday since it has closed lower than the previous low, so that's why every rise should be seen as a selling opportunity now in this one, and the downside targets are open to 0.5940. USD CHF, very good run to the upside liquidity taken. Now the price has come back again. Now this is the 4 hour, but on the daily you will see a bearish pin bar, at least not bearish pin bar. Yeah, now the price fails to close above 0.9113 today, then there's a possibility of it coming back towards 0.8996, and even closing lower will open the weight down. Now on the upside, if the price starts going up again, 0.9245 will be the resistance on the upside. USD CAD, we have witnessed yesterday a very clean close above the resistance zones. Now any pullback to this point 1.3620 should be seen as an opportunity to go long in this market. Okay, so keep an eye on that. On the upside we have target at 1.3777, and on the downside we have possible support of 1.3620, below which we will be looking at 1.3420. USD JPY, very clean close to the upside. Upside is unlimited now. 153, 154, 159.88 is the target. New Zealand CAD, downside is possible here. Yesterday we saw a bearish engulfing, closed below the support area. Now expect downside movement towards 0.8065 next week. Bitcoin, the buyers around 68,000, like I discussed yesterday. We have seen higher highs on this 4 hour. Expect the price to keep moving, or otherwise you can create this downtrending channel here. This looks like a formation of a channel. As soon as the price will break from this channel, expect an up move, very fast up move to the upside. Okay, now in the process of making this channel, if the price breaks below, I think this not 64, wait, let me check on the daily, because we are concerned more about the daily charts. Yeah, if the price goes below 60,818, then I think we'll be looking for the short entries only in this market. Brent, well, upside is possible in this one, but after breakout the price has come back but has not found buyers here. That is the problem. Let's see on the daily if something is possible here. Yeah, similar is the case in the daily also. Now this is a swing, this is again a swing. Now if the price breaks this low, I think this will be a problem for the Brent, and I don't want the price to go below this level. So let's go on the 4 hour again. Like I was saying, that this low here, now it's very important low here, because after this the price has, okay, no, it has not made any higher high, so it is still going down only. No, it has not made any higher high. Had it made any higher high, then this would have been a proper low. So this is not a proper low, just forget it. This is the important low, 88.75. Now if the price goes below 88.75, then I will be cautious on this one. Gold trading higher and higher, no stopping thereafter. 2365 is the resistance, 2303 is the support. These are the two areas in which the price is consolidating. Any rise higher than 2365 will open up the upside, and anything lower than 2303 will open up the downside. Japanese index, it is also consolidating between the ranges of 40,258 and 38,278. The bias is bullish, but let's see how and when the bias, the upside resumes. Euro JPY, nothing, it is also consolidating. No, nothing much to say. The channel is intact. The resistance, the price has come below the resistance. Expect this rising trend line to act as a support for some time when the price meets this area, but otherwise nothing new here. This channel is broken, has been tested, so we can remove this one also. There's no point that the price can come to this level now, so I'll remove that also. So all in all, we have now for the Euro JPY, I think the resistance of 165.34 and again 162.61 as the support. That's all, nothing else. GBP AUD, like I was discussing, that there is a possibility that this will be going down very fast, and tomorrow if we see a close below 1.9184, then there is a possibility of going towards 1.8590 in this market. This is huge downside. This may be your trade of the year. CHF JPY, we are bearish on this one. Any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity. First target is 166.56. Um, okay, so 170.79. The resistance is very, very far. Or in New Zealand, I told you, I think that look for the selling opportunities in this one because the price failed to close the day higher and it has given us a bearish this thing. So yes, there is an imbalance now. Now if you people are looking for the ICT also, you might already know that this is a bearish fair value gap. So if the price goes tomorrow again inside this, then you will see sellers pushing it downwards. I'm just trying to see what are the concepts of ICT. He doesn't like this to call something like support and resistance, and I think I like that. But let's see if I can learn that or not. This is a very new concept for me. I have been trading support and resistances from the last 16 years, but I still am open to any type of trading. Okay, that's all guys from my side. Last USCHF, sorry, last is USCHF, but I think USCHF we are not taking it. But anyways, Swiss franc I think is gaining value, or otherwise euro is falling, that's why. But we have stuck between the resistance of 0.9842 and 19709. Anything in between I'm not trading, anything below I am selling, anything above I'm buying. So guys, like I was saying, any questions? All right, as I have understood that you have no more questions, so even if you have, feel free to ping me on my Skype, and this is my Skype handle. You can write me in text in this. You cannot call me of course, but you can write me. I'll be very happy to reply you. And in the end, I just want to say that I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade. Do not risk too much because there will be time and days again to trade. Now with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care.